Hello world and welcome to Web2Labs. My name is Philipp and I want to give you a quick tutorial on how to use Web2Labs Studio. There's also an extended tutorial where all the information and details are given, but right now we want to focus on the one-click solution. So when you're logged in and inside of Studio, you can see your previous projects, all of the statistics, but right now we want to focus on how to easily get your edited videos and shorts. So here in the middle, you have the new project. You can click on it. You can just drag and drop your recorded file, so your gameplay, your coaching video, your tutorial video, even this video right now will be cut by Web2Labs Studio, and drop it in. And that's the moment. Right now I can get my hands off the mouse and the keyboard. From now on, the system is cutting you. So right now the upload is happening, also the first analysis steps. And from this point on, the system will edit your whole video and you can just watch. You can do something else. Work already on the next script, on the next recording, go outside, walk your dog. It's up to you. You don't have to do anything. Just to explain what you're seeing here, it's the editing screen. Here you can see live how the whole magic is happening. The studio is cutting out the silence, mishaps, where it's cutting out stuff which is just not belonging inside. Maybe you're talking to yourself, you're cursing. It will detect it and it will remove it. You're seeing the thumbnail, rating, tips. You can see the first shorts dropping in. And as said, you don't have to do anything. It will just do it for you. What you can do if you want to, you can click already in the preview and see how the zooms are working, and you can see how already these cuts are getting done, where certain sections are getting cut out of the whole thing. Let me jump, for example, to this, and it's whoosh, cutting out a lot of things where it thought it doesn't belong there, or it was silence, or it was where I just didn't perform enough in this video. And at the end of the day, you're getting this crisp retention cut video with the zooms, the subtitles, and everything you need. Honestly, right now, I will stop talking. Web2Labs Studio will cut out the dead air. We will see us again when the whole rendering process is at the whole editing process is at 100%. And then I can explain to you how the whole rendering works. All right, the editing is done. Now the countdown started for the auto rendering. You can also stop the countdown. You can edit manually. You can do stuff. If you don't want to, you can just sit there and wait for 30 seconds and it will automatically jump into rendering mode. This gives you the freedom to just really drop your file and then walk away while you don't have to look at anything. I will now click on render and see how the whole rendering process looks like. This is our output page. Here you can see the shorts which are getting rendered also for the different platforms. You can see the main video which is then getting rendered as soon as the shorts are done. You can see the thumbnails which are already there. So you see the third thumbnail right now is missing. It will get created in the background and also dropped here. If you don't like one of the thumbnails, you can click on it and edit it. But way more on that in the extended video. Here now you have the shorts. Honestly, my advice: download the shorts that are already rendered and click on it. And there you can copy paste the title, description, text, and so on. So just put up a second window. Now, for example, YouTube, drop the file in, copy paste everything, and that's it. It's done. Then you already have the first short out without doing anything. And as soon as all the stuff is done, you can then schedule everything. Main video will be rendered. You can then also click on the main video, copy paste title A, B, C for the A/B testing, different thumbnails. You can simply just get everything from here and put it inside of the UI where you want to post it on social media. That's it. You can, at the end of the day, download the whole package so you have it on your drive. After 24 hours, the video is getting deleted. We don't owe you data. It's yours. It's your recording. It's your file. We also don't use it for retraining, whatever. So after 24 hours, it's gone. Download it. Keep it. Also, you're getting an email if you maybe forgot to download it. At the end of the day, that's the whole process. And if you want to learn more about all the different variants, configurations, titles you can do, watch the extended tutorial where I explain a lot more in detail what you can do with it. For now, I can just encourage you, try it. It's free. You can have one or two, depends. The creator cuts can have the normal working Web2Labs Studio with watermarks. There are a lot of opportunities where you can just use it for free. On my social media pages, I will drop coupon codes where you can just drop it in and then use it for some time for free. Honestly, just go try it out, see if it works for you. And if it doesn't, let me know, because I will add a ton of more features inside of this whole thing, because I'm really excited to see how everything will work out for all of us. I will now start using it on a daily basis. I'm pretty excited, and I hope I see you in the Discord or on the social media platforms. Join the discussion. Till then, see ya.